And China has announced the launch of a long-awaited Growth Enterprise Board as a new financing platform for small and medium-sized companies. According to the Securities Regulatory Commission, a new set of listing rules will take effect on May the 1st, but authorities have yet to announce when the second board of the country's southern Shenzhen Stock Exchange will begin operations. Wang Xijing has more on the story.
China's plan to launch a new trading board for startup enterprises moved one step closer to creation on Tuesday after regulators approved listing rules for companies. Candidates will need an annual net income of at least 10 million yuan over the past 2 years or 5 million yuan in the most recent year, with sales of at least 50 million yuan. They should also have net assets of at least 20 million yuan and have been open for business for more than 3 years. These requirements mean the new board is considering companies with much smaller assets and annual profits than are currently required by the exchanges at the Shanghai and Shenzhen stock markets. The Growth Enterprise Board also introduced an exit mechanism where poor-performing companies could be removed from the board. The potential for gains and the risk of losing are both higher than the existing boards, but the new board is unlikely to challenge the main boards for some time to come.
Companies seeking a listing on the second board usually have limited financing capacity. They may raise at most 100 million yuan through their IPOs. But even if the new board absorbs 100 such companies, it would only be the equivalent of one IPO from a large company on the main board.
Authorities say the new listing rules will become effective on the 1st of May, but they also say it may take a few weeks longer for the new board to start full operations after enough enterprises have met the entry requirements. The board will list at least 8 companies when it goes into operation. The proposal of setting up a new trading board was first put forth over a decade ago. The idea was to establish a NASDAQ-style platform for small and medium-sized enterprises, especially those in the high-tech industry, to raise money for development. Wang Xijing, CCTV.